In today's video, I'll show you how to create SVG files in Canva that are clean, scalable, and ready for digital sales or crafting projects. First, open Canva on your computer and click Create a Design. It's best to start with a simple square canvas like 1000 by 1000 pixels, so you have plenty of space to work. SVG files work best when designs are clean and vector based, so avoid using photos or heavy textures. Stick to shapes, icons, and text. Now, build your design using elements from the graphics section, not photos. Graphics are vector objects, which means they scale perfectly without losing quality. Add your text and choose clean fonts. If you're designing for Cricut, laser cutting, or Etsy digital downloads, keep lines bold and avoid tiny details that won't cut well. Before exporting, make sure all parts of your design are positioned exactly how you want them. If needed, select related elements and group them so they stay together. For cutting machines, simple layered designs usually work best. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. In the File Type drop-down, choose SVG. This option is available in Canva Pro. Make sure the transparent background option is selected if your design needs it. Then click Download. Your file will export as a scalable vector graphic, which means it can be resized to any dimension without losing sharpness. And that's it. You've created a professional SVG file in Canva ready for selling, printing, or crafting.